Hey, this is Kenny from the Business Central team again. In this video, I want to talk about our Yammer channel. So if you're a customer, skip this. This is not for you. This is only for Microsoft partners for Business Central. How do you get to the Yammer channel? Well, as always, we start with aka.ms/bcall. So let's go there. And here on the landing page, you can navigate to social and blogs. And the final link here is aka.ms/bcYammer. Now, I will just show you very briefly what is there, and then I want to talk about the value of being on this network. So let's open up for the secret Yammer site. Now, the Yammer site is for partners only, so I can't really give you a tour of the facilities because what we talk about here is kind of confidential between the product group and partners. However, I can show you like one post because this is my own post, and I can tell you why this network is so valuable if you're a Microsoft partner. So first of all, the group here is organized in a number of different groups. So finance, analytics, security, I know GP, how do I do in Business Central, many different groups for many different topics. So you can just open or make the groups visible that you think is valuable for you. So what's happening on this network? Well, many different types of things are happening here. As a program manager in the product team, I use it for getting early feedback to features and like throw ideas out there and interact with all of you partners to kind of see what are great ideas in my head, but not great ideas. What are great ideas that we should do? What are great ideas that you have that we should augment our feature ideas with so that we kind of match something that is great for customers. So as an example, here is a post I wrote back in February about 2025 release wave 2. So this is the October release that is coming up here. I'm recording this in June. New features in financial reporting or account schedules. So here I actually have kind of the backlog open with active, done and possible improvements in this particular feature. And anyone can interact with this. They can say, look, feature 12, that's horrible. You should do feature 13 instead, or do a variation and so on. So that's one way we use Yammer. Another way we use Yammer from the product group is communicating about like the next public preview for our next release, or it could also be that there's a certain bug out there that we both put like public, but also here so that there can be a discussion. And then a lot of you partners post things here that are maybe not support cases, but borderline. Don't use it for a support case, but maybe something like, is this really the way it's supposed to be, or is it a bug? And or how do I do this? Now, there's no guarantee that you will get an answer. Sometimes it will just be silent. But what I have seen also is a lot of times these posts, like within a few days or maybe even a day, that person got help from a friend in Germany or someone in Japan who have struggled with the exact same problem that they had. Or maybe it's one from the product room that goes, one of our engineers to say, yeah, this is a bug, let's fix it. So it's a really good network and you should really be there, in aka.ms/bcYammer is how you get to that. I'll hope to see you on Yammer.